Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that's been popping up everywhere in ads lately, called Fly Cleanse Multipurpose Cleaner. The videos make it look almost magical, so let's slow things down and see whether this product really lives up to the hype, or if there are some serious concerns you should know about before buying. Fly Cleanse is marketed as a multi-purpose kitchen and household cleaning spray. According to the ads, it's designed to remove grease, oil, and everyday dirt just by spraying and wiping. They promote it as an enzyme-based formula that doesn't need water and is supposedly gentle and safe for appliances, food contact areas, and many different surfaces around the house. On paper, that sounds very convenient and appealing. But this is where the first red flag comes in. The idea that you can remove heavy kitchen grease from stoves, ovens, range hoods, and refrigerators without using any water is very unrealistic. In real cleaning situations, grease usually breaks down into residue that still needs to be wiped away and often rinsed. Leaving cleaner residue on surfaces where food is prepared can also be unsafe, which is something these ads don't clearly address. Another big concern is how the product is shown working in advertisements. The ads repeatedly show oil and grease instantly melting, dripping, or disappearing right after spraying. In real-world cleaning, even strong degreasers usually need time to sit, some scrubbing, and sometimes warm water to actually break down thick, old grease. Oil doesn't just chemically melt on contact without any effort. These dramatic visuals are often staged using softened grease, oil mixed with solvents, or surfaces that were already treated before filming. Now, here's something very important that many people miss. A lot of the before and after clips used in these ads appear to be copied from other product advertisements, including Chinese product ads that are well known for being exaggerated or misleading. If you look closely at the bottom of some of these videos, there's a tiny line that says the video is sped up, and for tough stains, you should let it sit for a while before cleaning. That directly contradicts what they're saying out loud, which is that it works instantly just after spraying. There's also the issue of where this product actually comes from. When you check wholesale platforms like Alibaba and similar Chinese websites, you can find the same cleaner for under $1. On those listings, the packaging often includes Chinese text. However, on the official Amazon listing and ads, that text appears to be edited out to make it look like the product is not sourced from China. This strongly suggests that Fly Cleanse is a drop-shipped product being sold at a much higher price. Now let's talk about user reviews, because this part matters a lot. Yes, the product is listed on Amazon, but that alone doesn't guarantee anything. Amazon allows third-party sellers to list products, and they don't test or verify what's actually inside the bottle. At the time of checking, there are only a handful of reviews, and almost all of them are negative. Many users say the cleaner barely works and feels like plain water. Several reviews mention that it fails to clean grease and performs worse than regular dishwashing liquid. Some buyers also report poor build quality, including broken bottles and spray nozzles that don't even work. Overall, the feedback from real buyers is very disappointing. People are warning others not to buy it and describing it as a complete waste of money. That's a big contrast to what the ads are promising. So in conclusion, there are multiple concerns here. Unrealistic cleaning claims, misleading sped-up videos, reused ad clips, drop shipping signs, and very poor user reviews. I'm not saying this product is 100% fake or that it can't clean anything at all. I'm simply showing you the red flags and concerns so you can make an informed decision. At the end of the day, it's your choice whether to buy it or not. Just be careful and don't fall for flashy ads that seem too good to be true.